It's a weird... Yeah, I have no idea what this is about to feel like. I just know it's going to be shocking. I know it's going to be instantaneous, and apparently it's relentless. It doesn't let up, unlike Teslas of the past that at 60 miles an hour they kind of died. It's not like that.
The old ones would die off at 90. This does not die off at all. It literally it's weird because of 60 to 130, 100, 150 times. This sometimes picks up more speed, 100, 150 that does 60 to 130, which is pretty crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
But wait till I'm excited to get your reaction, Parker. Tilt your seat back a little bit.
Oh yeah? Why? It's that intense?
Oh yeah, a little more.
Brooks just had me adjust my seat before he floors it.
Well, I just don't want you to get hurt, you know what I mean?
Well, thanks, Dad.
No problem.
You dynoed it.
I tried to dyno.
You tried to dyno it.
It was not successful.
It's just too powerful for the dyno.
But it still made a good video. Everyone clicked on it. I said I dynoed it.
Apparently, oops.
But yeah, basically, I think what happened was it was pulling power back on the dyno. It was acting all wonky. And then after watching the video back, we think, because there was a car in front of the dyno, that the Tesla's smart AI object-aware acceleration was seeing that car and be like, oh, we don't want you to run over an R34 GTR.
Yeah, so think about that. That's a dyno problem to have. They were literally thinking that it's scanning a car in front of it, even though they were both stationary and afraid to accelerate into it at 130 miles an hour.
So I might try again. We'll see. So right now, we have drag strip mode on, and it's not quite warmed up yet. And
how do you tell the progress?
This will turn red down here.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
When it's ready to go, and when then you got 1,020 foot-pounds of torque. And over 1,000 horsepower in a car, you can drive everywhere. It is just absolutely insane.
I will say, yeah. Oh my God!
I got you.
Oh my God!
Pretty sure I got you.
Oh my God!
What I was going to tell you before is you don't need to do it from a stop. From a roll, it's just insane.
What the hell was that?
Dude, from a 40 roll, who's gonna keep up with you there, right?
Oh my God! I wasn't expecting
you weren't
that
ready.
at all.
I get that all the time. Oh, I wasn't ready, Brooks.
Oh my gosh!
So what do you think of that torque?
It's a wow.
That's 60. And that was no launch.
It's like stressful. It's so fast. I'm like freaking out the whole time. Wow. Oh my God.
Even over here, it's a hit. I know over there it's worse, you know what I mean?
Wow. Okay.
What do you think?
It's a weird world we're living in where electric cars are starting to absolutely destroy internal combustion engine cars, which like makes me sad at the same time, but it's also cool to see the future.
I mean, listen, how can you really... I love all cars.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm a Tesla guy long term. I got Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghinis. Like, I'm not getting rid of that, but I'm going to tell you, this is the future. You can't compete with just adding more motors. You know what I mean?
Literally.
Oh, well, 2 motors, 3 motors, 4 motors. 500 horsepower each, 2,000 horsepower, no changing plugs, no fuel to air ratios, no, oh, it's too cold out and it doesn't run good, or, oh, it's too hot out and EPA sucks. Like, you got none of those problems.
And I mean, Tesla's been around for 10 years, and cars have been around since, you know, the early 1900s.
Look how fast it's come along so far in just 10 years.
So technology is just going to advance exponentially, and I think these cars are going to start hurting
where does it stop, right?
I'm already injured from that.
Let's say Tesla takes the rear motor, which is 2 motors stuck together, and throws that in the front. Now you have 1,720 horsepower.
I think we need that.
Maybe that's the Roadster. I mean, obviously the Roadster someday's coming. I mean, we all know it's been a while, right? But
yeah, that car is going to be wild. Although, I mean, it's like, at a certain point, this car makes more sense. It's like, it's a practical everyday car. It's really comfortable, actually, which is what I was going to say before we punched it. Is that it drives really smoothly. It's nice. It's relaxing. And then
And then it's got a
and
fury
you can take any car.
Power.
Did this do a faster 60 to 130 than a Chiron?
Yes. So my best 60 to 130 is 4.56 seconds.
Wow.
And that's the same for 100 to 150.
Wow.
And actually, it ran better on the street in the quarter mile than it did even at the track. Runs 9.2 if I did it right now, or it runs 9.2 at the drag strip.
That's insane.
It is pretty crazy.
That's insane. So we are going to attempt to race my car against this, and
we'll do a rolling photo shoot. That's what I like to call it.
Damn you! That's literally what it's going to be.
I like to call these rolling photo shoots.
At least, like, give me the hit.
I'll give you the hit.
Because
yeah,
I've got so much stuff in terms of the turbos have to spool. This is just instantaneous, and this car's faster. But
let's try one launch.
Okay.
Okay. So let me pull over here. And you really you feel like you're king of the road driving this thing.
I'm sure. No one can mess with you.
No one can mess with you.
Yeah.
Unless you're running like a, I don't know, a twin turbo Huracan with 1,400 horsepower, and the guy's willing to launch it.
Yeah.
And risk breaking it to pieces. No one's beating you.
I'm like scared.
We don't even need launch control.
So that wasn't even launch control?
That was, but it didn't. So it has cheetah mode. Which drops the front of the car down so the car sits like this, and when it comes up, it doesn't lift up as much.
Wow.
So that actually takes 5 seconds to completely drop it down.
Okay, gotcha.
But I did launch, so you get that extra bit of torque that came off the line right there. So foot on the brake, complete stop. We're pressing it down. So you can see the car dropping down, preparing for launch.
Look at the sun rising.
You feel the car dropping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Oh my God! It's just too much fun.
Oh my God. With no video and just sound, that would have been a pretty weird.
It does make a sound.
No, I'm talking about our reaction.
Oh, our reaction. Yeah, it probably sounds bad.
You driven it in the rain and watched it, or?
Yeah, I did a little
pretty decent
YouTube short. It did 0 to 60 in 2.3.
Oh, I saw that actually.
Rain.
Yeah.
All right, Parker. So, what did you think?
that was ridiculous.
Would you consider buying one?
I have been considering buying one. I think
Yeah.
it's like the ultimate daily driver.
I mean,
because you want something that's fast, that's also comfortable and practical, and this is faster than anything.
Yeah, I mean, you've had the Rolls Royces and stuff, right?
Yeah,
so,
this is a lot cooler.
Can you give up that super luxury for this? That's the,
I think they've upped the interior enough to where it's finally feels like a $130,000 car.
Yeah, I agree. This is much nicer.
Although, does it have kind of a drift mode like the Model 3?
So there is no track mode yet. It's coming, but when that comes, hopefully they'll give you the ability to adjust the front and rear bias as much as you want, and it definitely will drift.
Yeah, then it'll be nuts.
Yeah.
But I mean, this is probably the fastest car I've ever been in, and
quickest. I think you.
Quickest.
Fast,
yeah. No, that's true.
All right, so that's a wrap of giving Parker some quick hits and some fun in the Tesla Plaid. I'm gonna exit the video with our rolling photo shoots. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Helps the video and the channel. Check out Parker's video as well. And man, have fun at Car Week.
Thank you.
Right,
sorry you can't be there, man.
I know. Next time. it.